Hi everyone, I'll show you how to remove a back glass on your Redmi Note 7, as you can see on right here. So all you need to do is just hit it up all the way around, and be really careful. If you stick knife, don't try to go more than just a quarter inch, because there's wires all the way it goes around. So try to stay as close to possible, because you have adhesive pretty much on the corner all the way around. So let's start. Okay, I usually do one side and then I go all the way around. So just stick your knife between and try to lift it up. So go all the way around. I'm gonna push one of those things up. It's getting me off much easier. And go all the way around. Use this thing maybe instead, because so it doesn't scratch your frame as much as frame would, as much as the knife would. Go all the way around. Doesn't need lots of heat. It's not that bad. And then be careful once you remove it, because your fingerprint's still attached to it. So you can remove right here. You can remove this thing. Let's do it. Let's remove this plastic from the top. So we can put this thing out. So you can start from this side and push it this way, and then you need to open this thing up right here, and now you can slide out the cable, and now you remove the back glass. That's how easy it is. And then if you want to install it, do it same way. Get the new back cover. You can, if you need to remove the fingerprint, use some heat and then remove it, push it out, and be really careful so you don't rip it off. Just go under and remove this thing and install the way you removed it. And back. That's how easy it is. Stick it back in, the fingerprint. Okay, here it is. Now slide it down, and then go same way. Make sure the cable, everything goes this way, and then install the back glass. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more videos, and bye bye.